Hello there, it's Caroline. I'm doing a flip cup pour today using some blues and greys and silver and bronze. The undercoat, the base coat there is a light grey, and this is a lovely blue by Montmartre, and this is ready to pour. It's a lovely aqua, so I don't need to mix anything in with that. This is a blue-grey from Amsterdam. I just love that. And then I've added a little bit of white. I don't really have a plan for this, I'm just going with the flow. This is bronze. It's a metallic bronze, it's absolutely beautiful and rich. And then a little bit more of the base coat grey. It's all mixed to a consistency of a small mound that disappears quite quickly. So this is the fun bit. You have to flip this up without throwing it all around yourself. Sort of manage that. Not too bad. And let it settle for a minute and then pull the cup away, just in the direction you want the paint to go. You can see some cells have already started to appear. It's so exciting when I see the cells. And look at that bronze, it's just beautiful. Just make sure you've got every little bit out of that cup. So I'm just going to tilt it, try and get it all covered. I just love the colour mix in this, and the bronze and the light blue and the silver and the grey are quite unusual. I love putting unusual colours together. You're basically just teasing the paint over the canvas. This is a deep edge canvas, so it's a 20 by 20 square, and then the edges are, I think they're about 1.5 inches, so it's a nice deep canvas. You try and get the paint to go over the edges and for the design to flow. So at this point I've decided that I want more colours in it, and I'm mixing up another little cup, and I've put the same colours as before but a little dioxazine purple in there, and I've just plonked that on top because I think I lost a good bit of the bronze that went over the edge, and that was the colour that I particularly liked. So if that happens, then just get some more paint and put it on where you feel it would go best. The purple actually looks quite nice with the silver and the grey. So just teasing the paint over the corners. Yeah, I'm starting to like that design. So it's just to get that bit now to come down over the edge. It's on a bit of a go slow. I'm not sure what it reminds me of. My son suggested it looked like blue coral. Well, it sort of looks a bit like coral. I'm not sure. We'll leave it at blue coral for now. I can't think of anything else. One of the things I find really annoying are the push pins that I put in the bottom of the canvas. They're constantly coming out. So whatever you set your canvas on, just to be careful because they can dislodge. And just making sure the edges are all covered. And it's a bit of a wonky angle at the minute, but straighten it out. There we go. I'm really just trying to get to grips with videoing. So just going over with the blowtorch to get rid of any air bubbles that will turn up when the painting's dry and not look so good, and also to see if any more cells will decide to pop up. Sometimes if you heat the paint, don't put the torch too close, I've discovered. Hold it quite high up and just to see if there's any cells that are lurking underneath, that a little bit of heat might just tease them out. So there we go. I can't see actually any difference. And then of course make sure you don't have any drips, because they'll just keep continuing to drip off and you could lose your design. So I'm really happy. I love the blue and the silver and the purple and the bronze. The colours just look really nice together. I just think it's a little bit different. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I'll be having some more strange colour combinations coming up. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.